Have you ever wondered how Hollywood makes sound effects? Well, like you're seeing here, sound effects are actually created after the scene is filmed, and some of these sounds are not what you'd expect. For example, thriller movies often use lettuce to get that creaky, slimy effect. Another strange method is with these gloves that I made, which are used to recreate the sounds of animals walking and running. And to get the highest quality available, I record everything in BandLab, and then use their audio enhancing feature to really amplify my sounds. So check out BandLab, it's completely free.